$21,000 repair at a traditional paint and body shop. That's not the way we're going to fix this car. We're going to keep this car original using the very valuable paintless dent repair method. This really nice Porsche Panamera was shipped to us from Nevada to Florida to have paintless dent repair done on it. This is not something that you're going to see every day, but it is ultimately the best way if you can do it this way. And not everybody wants to have their car fixed the old-fashioned way. And by old-fashioned, I mean repainting, body filler, cutting panels apart, or replacing original factory parts. For some people, paying the $21,000 to have it done the old-fashioned way is acceptable. But for others, especially those who really care about the originality, it's not. The issue is more of just preserving everything on the car. So this dent itself basically has tons of pressure just kind of locked in. And we're using what's called tension to release this damage, and you can see that metal moving right there. Extremely stubborn aluminum. Aluminum basically doesn't have the same memory that steel does, so we're going to be spending a lot more time manipulating this material versus steel. So we do have it minimized down to just that little pinpoint area there. It still has a ton of work. This is just the shape that we've got back for now. You could see that little pinpoint area is kind of obvious, but we're using all these different types of tools to get back there, and it's extremely challenging given the location of the damage. There's no access really in there, so we're kind of forced to improvise and realistically just be really uncomfortable working for hours on end, slowly sculpting this aluminum back to its natural shape. And you can see the aluminum moving in there, and all these little high areas that you see just essentially have to be knocked back down to their original position, but we're just trying to build the stability back into the panel at the moment, and then we'll come back and do all that knocking down, as we would call it. But overall, that's where all of the time is, during the finishing stages of the repair. Like right here, you can kind of still see a little texture in the panel, but this is just hours and hours of work, slowly putting this panel back into its position. Now we're going to do some fine tuning. We're using sharper tool tips in there to kind of push the backside, and the sharper the tip with aluminum, the easier it is to manipulate. You can see the level of repair that we achieved. Big misconception about PDR or paintless dent repair is that this takes a lot less time than a body shop, and yes, it does, but this particular repair, these are monstrous in regards to timing, so we probably had 30 plus hours of repair time manipulating this aluminum back to its original shape. But it's all worth it in the end when you get responses like that, and the customer was just blown away with the results and just very happy to get their car back in its original condition. You can see no holes drilled ever with these repairs in regards to getting access to the dent. Yes, we take the hard road, but in the end, it's much more fulfilling knowing that we didn't change anything about the car in the end, and this happy customer. So thanks for watching. Hope you never need our services, but if you ever do, just give us a call. Have a great day.